welcome back to Quarantine Cuisine with Tony. Thank you so much for watching. Today we're making something that seems pretty basic and easy, but I have a feeling it's gonna be a tricky one. We got inspired by Kirby Cravings by this Raindrop cake. Looks super cool. It just has water and agar-agar. And then bring it up to boil and let it boil for exactly 1 minute. Has to be exactly a minute because otherwise it doesn't work. And also it has to be mixed cold because otherwise the active ingredient in agar-agar doesn't work. I don't know. I'm just doing what they tell me. It together, we've heated it up. Now it's in the molds, and I thought to decorate it, we have some mint, we have some pomegranate seeds, and we have a plum. Yeah, let's chop this guy up. Now it's time to put them in the fridge for 10 hours. I'm honestly really curious to see if it's gonna work out. It just looks like water in a cup. But faith is important. Let's see how these bad boys look tomorrow. And we're back. The situation is currently incredibly liquid, but let's take them out and see what we got. The last one we poured seems actually quite hard. So I'm gonna try and flip it and see if I can get them out that way. I'm gonna break it by flipping it. Okay. 3, 2, 1. I don't even know which way. Should I go this way or this way? I'm really scared it's gonna break. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. What? I felt something. Okay, that didn't work. The mint one tastes really good though. It tastes like, you know, those fancy mint waters. It's nice, it's just, you know, consistency's a bit off. And then unfortunately, that's the same with the pomegranate. Ooh, did the pomegranate flavor transfer? Let me see. It doesn't taste as good. It tastes like medicine. Okay, last guy is the peach. The plum. I'm gonna do like a cake. A cake in a tin. You take a knife and you cut around. No, I broke it. What? Oh! Kinda. Unfortunately, in the last few shots, our plum one also fell apart. So now we're left with a lot of gloopy water. But I still have the ones I made yesterday. So let's see if they turn out any better. We got a clear one with berries, and one with some mint. I used mugs as I didn't have any more shapes. I mean, this thing. Fingers crossed. Oh no, come on. Gah, almost. This is our last shot. I'm hoping we have a raindrop cake. You ready? Drum roll, please. Well, they look more like dead jellyfish than raindrops. But, yeah, there's no but. They didn't work out. I will try them though. You're supposed to eat it with, I believe it's like sugar syrup and roasted soya beans powder. Couldn't find any roasted soya beans powder, but I found this coconut syrup, which is dark sugar syrup, I guess you could argue. So I'm gonna try it. I'm sure it's my mistake, but these guys, they taste like jellyfish. Like, you know when you have that image in your head and you can't get it out? Yeah, I can't eat this. Try them, please. Let me know if they worked for you. Thank you for watching. I'm sorry that this week was a bit of a fail, but next week I'm sure we'll get it right. Yeah, have a lovely week. See you next time. Bye.